Urs here again. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is about unboxing from Normal. So I was in the city today and nakita ko siya for the price of 49. It's a mystery box from Normal. So I don't know what is inside kasi nga nakalagay nga siya from it's a mystery box. So most of the time may ganito sila, and then this is my second time to buy. Nung una mali ako kasi ang nabili ko is lalaki. So I hope this time na pambabae siya kasi napili ko siya kasi may nakita akong parang mask ito siya. Tapos hindi ko alam yung laman. So let's try na lang. So kaya short video lang kasi bubuksan lang natin and then after that we'll done. So let's try to open. So ito na nga siya. So for the price of 49, nung una kasi is parang ano siya, parang really worth it siya. Pero kaso nga lang yun is pang lalaki. Very first time ko talaga yun kaya nagkamali ako. So anyway, it's my experience. Oh. So ito na nga. Ito po yung laman. Ayan. So let's try to open one by one. So as you can see is mask. Alam niyo na, parang ano ko talaga yung mask, no? So yes, is aloe vera mask. Is a hydrogel mask, anti-stress, aloe vera. Ito po siya. So, and let's try to take the other mask, yung nakita natin sa ano. So, ito naman is, what is this? Ito po siya. What do you call it? Blueberry with strawberry, licorice, and chamomile. So, parang ano din siya, parang mask din ata siya, oh. Pero cream mask siya. And then, ano to? So, ito naman, wax body strip. Hindi naman ako nagwa-wax. Pero, okay naman siya. Mystery box nga, diba? So, yan, ito po. Wax body strip. And, puro mask. Ay, puro ano to? Perfume container. Or, parang travel size siya, yan. And, another wax strip for face. So, ito siya. And then, there's more. Ano to? Parang sabon. Not parang sabon. Sabon talaga siya, which is dalawa. So, some of them, kung hindi ko ginagamit, which is to send to the Philippines or I'm giving a giveaway soon. So, and there's one more here. Ano to? Dry shampoo from, this one, ID here is expensive brand here in Denmark. So, dry shampoo siya. So, hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya gamitin, but this is what inside. And there's more. Marami siya. And body wash. So, ito naman is a body wash. And, nice. I have this one. Yung from W7, it's a sponge siya. Dalawang maliit na sponge. And po siya. Nice, diba? So, there's more. And there's more apat pa. And what is here? Wash off. Firming wash off gel mask. So, another mask. So, tatlong mask na tayo and then 2 strip face pack. So, maganda siya, no? Actually, guys, so, if bumili ka ng ganito sa kanilang shop, which is expensive talaga, and there's more. Ito na po yung last, yung tatlong stick. So, ano to? From W7 is lip liner, and W7 also, it's eyebrow. And last is eyebrow pencil also. So, yeah, brow pencil. So, both of this is from W7 brows pencil. From sa eyebrow siya. Diba? Sulit na siya for the 49 kroner kasi there is 29 kroner. So, tatlo siya. And then, ito naman, ang alam ko, hindi ko siya alam kung magkano. But, between 30 something. So, yan na nga. Pero ito, nasa 32 ata yung dalawa. So, yeah. Diba worth it? And then, nabili ko lang siya ng 49 kroner. So, ito naman, hindi ko pa siya alam kung paano gamitin kasi I never tried that one. And then, yung sabon. Ang dami, diba? Tapos, ito na-curious ako kasi nga, medyo mahal siya yung ID hair. Pero, dry shampoo siya. So, I never tried that one. And this one is, the body strip is 20 pieces plus 2. So, never tried this one also. And, this one, from the perfume. And I have 3 masks. So, diba, bongga na lang. Bongga yung laman. For the price of 49. So, that's all guys. Bye!